Good morning, everyone. So it's week 3 of our Vlogmas, and today we are in the Payne's bathroom. So I'm going to be doing a surprise makeover on this bathroom here, just for a gift for the Payne girls. We've been staying here for a while and I just wanted to give them this makeover for Christmas. So come on, let's go ahead and get started in this room. I'm going to show you around the space and show you how to get done. All right, so today what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and paint these walls. We're gonna also paint this cabinet here. We're gonna change this from this brown to a nice gray color. And then we're gonna go in and organize all their stuff on the cabinet and underneath the sink. So let's go ahead and get into this makeover. Before I start to paint, I am going to remove all the hardware and clear off the countertops. Then I'm going to take my painter's tape and tape the trims, and then start to use my paintbrush to paint the edges, making sure to get above the ceiling and get ready to start rolling. So we have finished painting this bathroom. Doesn't the color just make it look so much better, guys? It has brightened up the space and updated it so much with just the paint color, guys. But this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to let it dry. I pulled everything under the sink and pulled out the cabinets, but I'm going to sand this down, paint this, and then paint the door fronts and the drawer fronts as well. So I'm about to go outside now and get that part painted. Excited to see the bathroom? Yes. Are you excited to see it too? You want to close your eyes? You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
OMG. How did you color that?
I got that.
How did you color the toilet? Wow.
And we got that too.
How did you color the toilet?
We bought that. Yes.
How did you buy it?
Look at your toothbrushes.
So it doesn't need to be crinkly.
Do you like the colors?
It's soap. What happened to the soap?
It's soap in there.
Ooh.
Oh, do you see your new bathroom? Wow. Ooh. There is soap in there.
Like,
You got a pretty little towel.
yeah, but
And then look underneath here. Ooh, Harmony has a step stool. OMG.
that's for both of us.
I think you're tall enough, but Harmony might need to stand on.
Harmony.
Look, Harmony. Look, come right here. You gotta step on it. Ready?
Sure.
Put your foot on it. Yeah.
Check inside the tub.
You want to check in the tub?
Yeah. What does it look like?
Do you like the rainbow?
Yes, but how beautiful inside the tub.
Yeah.
Did you decorate inside the tub?
I didn't do anything different, but your toys are down here. I put your toys.
OMG, this is so clear. I love it.
Good, I'm glad you like it.
It's so clean there because plus, like my old one, it was so clear because it didn't pick there.
So you like the pink? What's your favorite part in here?
I like, oh my goodness, I do have one spot.
Those are for your hair bows. So this one has your hair bows in it. All of your hair bows. And then the purple one has like your brushes and stuff in there.
Okay, it's hungry. They're full from their food.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I'll get towel. And like, and what about towel? What if the towel gets crinkly?
Yeah, you can wipe your hands with it. It's a nice towel.
Yes, but what if it gets crinkly?
It'll be okay. We can wash it. Do you like it?
It's a beautiful water, like you take it out and it's all dry.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That is magic. What?
It's magic, huh?
What?
Well, you are set. How do you like it?
I love it.
Yay! I'm glad.
So I don't need to lift. So when Harvey needs to get her toothbrush, I don't need to lift her out.
Yeah, she has a step stool and it's pink too.
And even when Tell me I have to clean the walls, there, I can use the step stool too.
Yes, you can reach it.
So I can reach my toothbrush.
Yes. Well, all right, guys. I'm glad you love it.